Do you have sensitive skin? I just might have 3 moisturizers that might save your skin. But before that, before I continue with the video, guys, I would like you guys to help subscribe to the channel because it helps the YouTube algorithm let people know that you like educational videos like this, and it also pushes out educational videos to your family and friends. So please click the subscribe button now. Hey guys, I'm Dr Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and welcome to Skynfyx, the platform whereby we help find skincare products that are right for you and educate you to why they're beneficial for your skin. Now today's topic is 3 moisturizers which are suitable for sensitive skin. But before we dive into it, let's talk about sensitive skin itself. Now what is sensitive skin? Sensitive skin isn't really a disease. It's a way of your skin reacting to the environmental triggers or to certain skincare that you're using. Surprisingly, up to 40% of the population actually suffer from some sort of sensitive skin. And a lot of us don't even know we have sensitive skin until much later in life, whereby we try some skincare product, some cosmetic, or we actually come in contact with certain plants or certain animals that trigger some sort of skin reaction. Simply put, sensitive skin is when you have a negative reaction to some triggers. So how can you tell if you have sensitive skin? So in cases of sensitive skin, usually your skin reacts more quickly than other people. The triggers can be environmentally triggered, whereby it's either from cold weather, humid weather, or maybe due to dusty environment. It also can be due to internal, whereby it's caused by stress, caused by improper diet, or even caused by hormonal changes. But since this is a skincare channel, a lot of times the triggers could be due to skincare or improper cosmetic use. So generally there are roughly about 4 types of sensitive skin. The first type is naturally occurring sensitive skin, generally due to chronic conditions like rosacea, eczema, or psoriasis, whereby there's an inflammatory process going on inside the body and it manifests on your skin. The second type could be due to environment, whereby mild changes in the temperature, in the weather, or even if the surrounding is too dusty or smoky, it can actually trigger some sort of negative reaction on your skin. The third type is reactive skin. And reactive skin generally is sensitive to certain kinds of contact. Reactive skin could be due to contact with plants, animals, or even skincare products. And the last type is age-related sensitive skin. Now, as we get older, the skin barrier actually thins out, and when that happens, your skin gets irritated much easily. Now, are you suffering from sensitive skin? If you are, please click a thumbs up so that we know how many of you have sensitive skin. So if you're suffering from sensitive skin, here are the top 3 moisturizers that you might want to consider using. Now, the first moisturizer on the list is a CosRX Centella Blemish Cream. Now, this cream it's a hydrating cream, it's not oily, and it's more towards some sort like an ointment base. It consists of 51% Centella asiatica leaf extract. Centella asiatica is a popular ingredient known for its anti-inflammatory properties. That means it helps calm the skin down, especially if the skin is easily irritated due to either environmental factors, internal factors, or even due to age. It also has zinc oxide, roughly about 7% zinc oxide, to create an artificial barrier on your skin so that your skin doesn't come in contact with allergens like smoke, dust, or any fungus or bacteria in the air. So due to the selection of the skincare ingredients inside here, a lot of them are actually sourced from natural ingredients, means that there's a lesser chance that your skin might be irritated by one of the ingredients inside. So how do you actually use it? It can be used 2 ways. It can be used as a preventive cream. So if you are suffering from sensitive skin and your skin always gets irritated, you can apply this on a daily basis, once or twice a night, to prevent your skin from being irritated. Or if your skin is already irritated and you're suffering from sensitive skin, there's breakouts or there's redness on your skin, it can work as a treatment cream as well. So one of the best ways to apply this cream is to use it before your moisturizer so that your skin can absorb as much of the anti-inflammatory properties in this product as much as possible. And because it's non-oily, if you have a sensitive, acne-prone skin, you can actually use this. Are there any other moisturizers for sensitive skin that we left out? Please let us know in the comments below. The next on the list is the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. Now this cream is suitable for sensitive and dehydrated or aging skin. So this moisturizing cream moisturizes your skin throughout all the season, whether it's dry season or it's hot humid season. It contains ingredients like beta-glucan, jojoba oil and ceramide, all of which helps hydrate your skin and helps repair your skin barrier. The jojoba oil would help hydrate your skin for longer periods of time when compared to other sort of hydrating ingredients like HA. The ceramides not only help repair your skin barrier, but also helps restore your skin's hydration by preventing transepidermal water loss. It also has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties in the cream due to ingredients like Centella asiatica, aloe vera, and vitamin E. So if you're suffering from sensitive skin but a dehydrated skin, this cream might just be the answer for you. And the third cream on our list is the Avene Skin Recovery Cream. Now this cream is suitable for someone with sensitive skin and if you're having combination skin, dry skin or normal skin. It contains a patented ingredient called parserine. Now parserine mimics your hydrolipid barrier on top of your skin. Now what does hydrolipid actually mean? Hydro means water, lipid is actually fats. So your skin barrier, your natural skin barrier actually consists of sebum, which consists of lipids and contains water and sweat as well. So a hydrolipid solution not only hydrates your skin, prevents water loss from your skin, but it also captures in both water-soluble vitamins and oil-soluble vitamins. So parserine in this cream helps mimic your natural skin barrier and the natural hydrolipid barrier of your skin. It also contains thermal spring water, which is apparently a little bit different than regular aqua or regular water because it helps calm irritated skin. And for hydration, it contains glycerin, which helps hydrate the skin and at the same time helps prevent epidermal water loss. It also contains mineral oil, which in this case is suitable for sensitive skin. Now the mineral oil actually creates a barrier on top of your skin to prevent water loss and encourages your skin to actually help repair itself. Now if you're using this particular cream, I highly advise you to use it once or twice a day. You can use it with your moisturizer or you can even use this as a standalone moisturizer. Now that's the end of the video guys. I hope this video has helped those of you who are suffering from sensitive skin. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe and remember to turn on the bell button because we release new videos on a weekly basis. Now, until next time, I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.